Hi, welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name's Perry, one of the sales consultants here in Baltimore. I'll show you this brand new boat we just got. It's a 2018 Scout 195 Sportfish. Start going through the boat here at the back. It's powered by your 115 horsepower outboard. Yamaha. We have the optional ski tow here, which is great for, if you're going out on the bay, you don't know if you're fishing or if you're towing kids, you can have this option and do both. Storage on both sides, port and starboard. Here at the leaning post, this is removable just in case you need a little extra room back here in the cockpit. You have your bait well here, and then up at the helm, your steering wheel, all your necessary switches and gauges. We have your T-top with rocket launchers on here, great for some extra pulls. As we work around, you can see a lot of space here in a 19-foot boat. In the up in the head, you can put an optional porta potty in there. And then moving forward, you have an optional cooler here, great for all your drinks and during the day. And then a lot of more storage here in the front. And then finally forward, you have a nice anchor locker with a saddle in there to store your rod and your line. Again, great boat. Come and see us today and check it out here in Baltimore just for you.